Welcome to the 30-day trial of PestScan. During this trial, you will have access to all the features of PestScan. By now, you should have received your login credentials and unique customer code via email. If you haven't yet installed the PestScan mobile app on your device, please pause this video and do so now. In this video, we'll show you how to easily create a work order for a service visit using the mobile app, assuming the customer has already been added in the PestScan Office portal. First, log in using your credentials, customer code, username, and password, then press Login. Next, navigate to the menu item Customers, search for Test, and select the desired location where you want to schedule a service visit. Press the blue button, New Work Order. A new window will open. Select the visit type, visit date, and duration of the visit. Press Save to create the work order. After saving, you will immediately see an overview of all work orders. To start the service visit, press Today and then press on the work order you just created. Click on Details to view all information about this specific location and its contacts. Use the Google Maps button to navigate easily to the customer. Upon arrival at the location, we'll proceed to add a floor plan. Press Floor Plan, then New. You can take a photo or add an image. For this example, we're using an existing floor plan. We'll now add new control points to the floor plan. Click New at the top, opening a new window. Choose the number of checkpoints and the checkpoint type, then select the bait type and fill in the room where the floor plan is located. You can then position the created checkpoints correctly on the floor plan. Exit the floor plan and go to Checkpoints. Here, you'll find the checkpoints that were just created via the floor plan. Open the mousetrap to see these checkpoints. As an example, open one and make your observations. Record the uptake of bait and the number of catches. You can also add recommendations for this checkpoint. Use the button set All to 0 to reset all checkpoints, indicating no records. Press back in the top left corner to return to the Visit Overview page and click on Recommendations. In the Recommendations section, make suggestions for yourself or your client. Click on New at the top, select a room, a category, the specific recommendation, and the owner. You can also enter a priority and alert limit, which is the time frame for resolving the recommendation. Then add a photo and, if necessary, draw on the photo for clarification. Now return to the work order overview and press Material Usage to add used materials. You can enter your items through the Office portal and use them here. We are now concluding the service visit. To finish, press Finish in the work order overview. Here you can make general comments and perform actions such as Send Invoice. To immediately send the invoice, indicate the alarm status at the time of the visit. Finally, fill in the customer name followed by the signature. Press Send at the top right. The work order is now sent to the PestScan Office portal, where you or your employee can retrieve it. Additionally, the visit report with all registrations is sent to your customer.